Let's write these equations down next to each other. So 4x minus y is 5. 4y minus z is 7. And 4z minus x equals 18. Now we have essentially simultaneous equations for three unknowns, but we're not being asked to solve it. We're just being asked to find out what x plus y plus z is. So there's often ways around having to solve it. In fact, if we add the left-hand sides and add the right-hand sides, it will all come together, because we'll be left with 4x minus x, which gives 3x, 4y minus y, which gives 3y, and 4z minus z, which gives 3z. Okay, you could write it out with all 6 terms and then simplify it. I've just done it as I've gone along. And then that is going to be 12 plus 18, so 30. I can factorize out the 3 and divide by 3, or just divide each term by 3, which is absolutely fine to do as well. So x plus y plus z must equal 10. Well done. Just as an add-on, I'm going to go ahead and solve the original equations, and I'm not going to use the result that we found. I'm just going to take these and deal with it. So I could take the first equation and the second equation. I might just rewrite it. So 4y minus z equals 7. To get everything lined up, it just makes life a little bit easier. And I'll times through by 4, the top one. So 16x minus 4y is going to equal 20. And keep the other one the same. Now we can add these together. So we get 16x minus z is 27. Now I'm going to, like sometimes in general, you then have to deal with the second and the third equation, or the first and the third. But in fact, due to the nature of these equations, we don't need to. We can simply bring in the third equation. Minus x plus 4z is 18. So I'm now going to times the 16x minus z1 by 4 as well. So I'll get 64x minus 4z is going to be 108. Then minus x plus 4z equals 18. Add these two together. 63x becomes 126. Actually, x is 2. We can now substitute that back in. So I could put it back into here. So minus 2 plus 4z is 18. So 4z would be 20 and z would equal 5. And then put that back in. We'll put x back into this one as well. So that will give 8 minus y equal to 5. So y would equal 3. And then we can add those up. 3 plus 2 plus 5 gives 10. So, that's an alternative. You can see there's a lot more effort involved, but hey, it's still a good skill to learn. And it's only due to the nature of the equations that we can do it more quickly.